Welcome to the DGM Finance Podcast. And in today's episode, we're going to go to a place that if you don't know anything about investing or you don't know where to start, this place is for you.
DJ Finance.
What's going on, everybody? My name's Kamal, aka Swiss the DJ, aka Mr. Morrison, and this show is all about me documenting my journey on the road to financial freedom. Now, when I have conversations with people about investing, I tell them I'm investing for a long time. I'm trying to reach financial freedom. As you know, that's something that I'm very interested about. I always get the common answers from people who haven't started investing. They always say, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to learn. I don't know anything about investing. And for the majority of the population, that's true. When I talk to them about terms like stocks, bonds, ETFs, RRSP, tax-free savings account, TFSA, or your asset allocation, they absolutely have no idea. So you know what? Today, we're going to go to a place where you can learn all of those terms or start to beginning the process of learning. Obviously, you're not going to learn everything in one day. As I stated in this podcast before, I learned a lot about investing through YouTube videos, blogs, podcasts, and books. So we're going to go to a place that can really help you with that. So let's go. So here we are, guys. We are at the library, the one great place where there's so much access to information. And if you need to learn something, they probably have the answer in here. Let's go take a look. So here we are, guys. This is the personal finance section. And as you can see, there's a multitude of books on personal finance, investing. And, as long as you have a library card with the library, you can come here and get some of these books for free. You just have to take them in. You just have to take them out and return them. And if we look here, where is it? This is a book that I actually own. David Bach, The Latte Factor. This is a really good book. It's actually like a story, but I guess my point is, there's a lot of books in here that you can read. Search on Amazon and see which books are bestsellers and get them at the library. And this is one of my all-time favorites, Playing with Fire by Scott Rickens. An incredible book. I actually gifted a lot of people this book during Christmas. This is another all-time classic, Dave Ramsey, The Total Money Makeover. A lot of people swear by Dave Ramsey. I like some of his stuff. Some of his stuff I don't agree with, but as you guys know, I follow him as a financial thought leader, and he has a lot of really good content. As I'm here in the library and I'm in this personal finance section and you're looking at all these books, I hope this kind of gives perspective to some people who have never invested, don't know anything about it, or want to learn. You can literally come to the library, search titles, and look at some books and actually just start learning. You don't have to learn everything in a day or in a month. You start with one book and read another. And, you have your phone, you could look up some of the terms you're unfamiliar with, but I think this is a great way for someone to start learning. Books are tried and true. Just look at all these books about personal finance. There's this section here. Right here, there's this section. A whole section dedicated to personal finance and how you can better yourself. For the most part, I think if you're watching this video, you have access to a public library. So I hope with this video, you guys just see that there is access to information about personal finance and investing. And, for the most part, it's free. It's available to everybody. If you don't even like books, there's podcasts, there's YouTube videos as before, and even AI. You can pretty much type into AI, get some answers about personal finance and just start there. But I think the biggest thing with this video and this podcast is While I was documenting my journey, just realizing that the answers were available to me, and I wanted to find the answers, and they were available. And the more I went down this path and starting to learn more, it kind of just made me feel more confident in my investing and understanding that, I can reach the goal that I want to achieve. I hope you guys take away something from this podcast that maybe will actually make you start to learn about investing. What books do you think about taking that maybe you haven't gotten yet? I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Until the next one, take care.